how does the gift tax work? Hey everybody, I'm Christopher Small. I'm the owner of CMS Law Firm. We do estate planning, we do probate, we do it well, and I'm here to help you out. Okay. If, by the way, you have questions about this or anything else related to estate planning or probate, and you want to talk with us over the phone for free, you can do so by going to cmslawfirm.com. Okay. Gift tax 101. People seem to be pretty freaked out when they hear about the word gift tax. They feel like they're going to be paying some kind of a tax, but in reality, you are not. Not unless you are super rich and you give away a lot of money. The gift tax is referring to going over your lifetime giving exemption. Okay? Right now, the lifetime giving exemption is something like $13.98 million. So if you give over $14 million in your lifetime, then you are going to have to pay some gift tax. Okay? The reason the gift tax comes up for us normal folks is because that $14 million is reduced every time you cross a threshold in a year for giving to a specific person. All right. Hopefully that made sense. It probably did not. I will just give you an example. We each, after I give you the rule, so every year you are allowed to give a certain amount of money. This year, I think it's $17,000 to as many people as you want. You can be like Oprah. You get 17 and you get 17 and you get 17. You can do that to as many people as you want. You never have to pay one dime of gift tax. You don't have to fill out any paperwork. As long as you don't cross that threshold for an individual, you are fine. Now, the moment that you go over that number, then you are going to have to do some things with the IRS to let them know that you have crossed the gift tax threshold. Now, what do you have to do? When you do your taxes for that year, you are just going to file a form that lets them know that you have exceeded your annual gift exemption. All right. And when you file that form, what they are going to do is to make a little note in your file that reduces your $14 million by whatever amount you went over for that year. All right. So let's say I gave you $117,000 this year. Come tax time, I'm going to file a gift tax return that lets the IRS know that I paid you $100,000 more than the annual amount that I'm allowed to without having to file the form. All they're going to do is make a little note and reduce my lifetime giving exemption from $14 million to $13,900,000. That's all you do. There's no taxes owed. You don't have to pay anything, and it's all good. Now, before I wrap this up, there was one important thing to remember. If you pay educational expenses and medical expenses for someone and you pay them directly to the institution, those don't count towards your annual gifting amount. So in this same example, let's say I give you $17K of cash, just honeys, it's making it rain. And I pay your Harvard education of $100K, stroke a check to Harvard. I do not have to file a gift tax return if I do that because I have not crossed the threshold of money in your pocket. All right, so that is how the gift tax works. Hopefully this makes sense. If it did, that's great. Like, comment, follow. If you want more helpful estate planning and probate information, subscribe and, like I said, follow, do all the things that you can do wherever you are. And if you want to talk with us over the phone for free about your own situation, you can go to cmslawfirm.com and set up a time to do that. Otherwise, that's it for today. I am Christopher Small. I'm the owner of CMS Law Firm. We do estate planning, we do probate, we do it well. Thank you for your time. Thank you for your attention. Appreciate you. And I will talk to you again soon. See ya.